Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint infographic in just 3 minutes. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do as always is open up a blank slide. Next, we're going to right click on our slide, go to format background and click on color, and we're going to use this color code and put it into the background. Next, what we're going to do is go to shapes and insert around the corner rectangle, change its height and width to about 7%, like 7 centimeter of height and 7 centimeter of width. Next, what we're going to do is put it into the middle in the center of our slide, go to format shape, and next we're going to click on this like size option and click and rotate it 45 degrees. Next, what we're going to do is put it into the middle and the center of our slide, change this fill to the same as the background fill and remove its outline, go to shadows and shape effects and click on this ninth number shadow. We're going to go to format shape and click on shadows and change the shadows color to white. Increase its size till 112% and 0% of transparency, and increase its distance till 4. So here we have the shape. Let's put it on to the top left corner. Next, what we're going to do is duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D. And we're going to, for the duplicated shape, we're going to go to shadow and give it this first shadow. Next, we're going to use the same transparency of 0, and it's for the size we're going to use like so we're going to just use 112% of size for the color of black. We're going to put both of them on top of each other and group them. Go to shapes and insert a small circle right here. Let's put it into the middle of this shape, right into the right bottom part, remove its outline. We're going to change its height and width to about 2 centimeter and insert a rectangle that covers half of the circle. We're gonna first select the circle, then the rectangle, go to merge option and click on subtract. Next, what we're going to do is go to rotation option in format shape and give it 45-degree rotation as well as same as the rectangle. We're going to put it right here, remove this outline and change this fill to the same background fill and the rectangle fill, and go to shadows and click on this first shadow, and here we are. We're going to close the format background panel. And the next thing we're going to do is just like paste our text into the shape. Let me just move it out so that I can again put it into the shape nicely. We're going to go to shapes, and next we're going to insert a title, which is randomly going to be Lorem Ipsum, as this is going to be our placeholder. The font I'm going to use is medium. You can download it from Google Fonts. Next, we're going to give it middle alignment and then bold it as well. Use the same color for it as your text, which is gray. Here you go. Now, the next thing we're going to do is bold it. And we're going to select the text and let's just give it a more wider size. So here you go. Select both of your text boxes and let's just move them in the bottom part of the rectangle. Select everything and we're gonna duplicate it from using Control D and send it to the back and place it right here. That the circle, half circle of that previous rectangle is onto the top left corner of our new rectangle. For this circle, we're gonna rotate it 90 degrees and we're gonna put it on top of this second rectangle. Give it this shadow which is onto the 7th number in the shape FX option. We're done. Now the next thing we're going to do is select this second rectangle along with everything on it, duplicate it, and then we're going to send it to the back and place it right here. For this circle, let's just flip it vertically and place it right into the bottom right corner of this rectangle and give it the first shadow in the shape effects option. Now let's duplicate the same rectangle onto the second number and we're gonna duplicate it and send it to the back and place it right here. Duplicate that and put it on top except for the half circle and then send it to the back. So our shapes are complete. What we're gonna do is just adjust our text and select everything, group it, and then put it into the middle and center and then ungroup it back. Next, we're gonna go to icons, and from here we're gonna select 5 suitable icons for whatever the topic of your infographic is. So we're just gonna change their color. So the same color that I used for these text boxes, I'm going to use the same color. Next, we're going to just place them on top part in each rectangle on top of the text boxes. So our template is all complete, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can buy this template from the Patreon link in the description below. See you in another video soon.